In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can see all the maps in Google Earth. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
Now, to better do that, come to Google Play Store, come to the search bar, then search for Google Earth. Now go ahead and open up the Google Earth application. Now to open up the Google Earth application, come to your profile section here, come to settings. Now in the settings, you're going to try and tweak something very small. For this fly and animation, make sure that it is set to cinematic, like that. Then again, scroll down. For the theme, you can leave it as it is. Scroll down. For the slope distance, leave it as degree. Okay, so basically after doing that, come back. Now here, search for the place you want to see. For this case, I'll search for Nairobi, capital city of Kenya. Right, so quickly just click this, remove it. Now here, just go ahead and adjust. Now to see old images, hold on this street view. Now drop the street view somewhere. Okay, so where it is labeled blue, this person, just drop it there to see the street. Okay, like that. Just hold and drop, and then once you drop, you see that the street view will then come in like this. Now to see the old images placed, just click on this button over here. Then you just need to scroll down over here. When you refresh, it will show time lapse. Then you'll be able to see the time lapse for this case. Okay, so basically that's how it's done. Thanks for watching, guys. We shall meet